We've been saying it for a while. You don't need a gym membership to train your whole body. You can get stronger, fitter, and look solid just using calisthenics at home, but most of you still don't believe it. So we recorded this video to prove it. We'll take 5 of the most common gym machines and show you the exact body weight exercises that replace them. And honestly, some of these replacements are going to work you harder than the machines ever could. Look, I'm not saying weightlifting's bad. If you love the gym, that's great, but the truth is most of these machines can be swapped for bodyweight training. One seated push turns into dozens of push-up variations. We're talking chest, shoulders, and triceps with just your body weight. When comparing chest press machines and push-ups, both target the same muscle groups. However, push-ups offer a key advantage. They require full body stabilization. While machines lock you into a single path of motion, push-ups engage your entire body, building not just strength, but also control and balance. And if you're not realizing it, you're also holding a plank the whole time. Your core is getting worked too, but only if you're doing proper form with your core actually engaged. Yeah, that means no sagging hips like a broken bridge. Start with regular push-ups, then progress to decline push-ups with your feet elevated. Want more challenge? Try diamond push-ups for triceps or archer push-ups to work toward one-arm variations. Each progression hits different angles and intensities. The pull-down lets you adjust the weight easily, sure, but pull-ups demand you move your full body weight. That's why pull-up numbers are often used to measure someone's strength level. I know most of you don't have a pull-up bar or rings at home, so if you have a sturdy table, you can do inverted rows. Lie under the table, grab the edge, and pull your chest up to the table. Won't work as well when you pull with a bar, but it works. Actually, if you want to take it to another level without installing a permanent bar, because that's a lot of work and your landlord probably won't love you, you can get this doorway pull-up bar from Pull Up and Dip, the sponsor of today's video. This thing attaches in seconds and won't slip off mid-rep, which is always a concern when you're hanging from something. You get various grip positions for different exercises and it won't damage your door frame. Big deal. Plus, it comes with a pull-up band and ebook to help you progress if you can't do full pull-ups yet. Can't find better deal than this. We got you a special deal. Use code YELLOWDUDE for 10% off, because apparently we're nice like that, and we're sick of your no pull-up bar excuse. Alright, I'll be honest. The leg training might be the one weak point of calisthenics. Our legs are ridiculously strong, so body weight alone might not challenge them enough. Sometimes adding weight actually makes sense. But before you give up, let's get creative with variations. Single leg exercises like Bulgarian split squats will humble you real quick. Put your back foot on a couch or chair and squat down on one leg. Your legs will be shaking by rep 8. Want the ultimate challenge? Pistol squats. One leg, full range of motion, all the way down and back up. Most people can leg press 200 plus pounds but can't do a single pistol squat. You can also throw on a weighted backpack or grab some dumbbells while squatting. Just because we're doing calisthenics doesn't mean we have to be purists about it. Sometimes a little extra weight goes banana and makes everything better. The point is, instead of sitting on a machine and pushing a platform, you're moving your body through space. That's how humans are supposed to move. Shoulder press versus pike push-up. The machine isolates your shoulders but removes all balance and coordination. Bodyweight presses train the same muscles while forcing your entire body to work as one unit. Start with pike push-ups if overhead pressing feels like too much. Get into downward dog position, walk your feet closer to your hands, and press your head toward the floor. It's like a mini handstand push-up that won't terrify you. Then progress to wall-supported handstand push-ups. Kick up against a wall and press yourself up and down. Eventually, if you want the ultimate challenge, work toward freestanding handstand push-ups. But honestly, most people never need to go that far unless they just want to show off at parties. The beauty here is that you're learning to control your entire body in an inverted position. That's coordination and strength working together, not just isolated muscle building. Crunch machines isolate your abs and basically turn you into a human accordion. Calisthenics core work builds strength that carries into every single movement you do. The hollow body hold is the obvious choice here. Lie on your back, press your lower back into the floor, and lift your shoulders and legs off the ground. Hold that position. You'll shake like crazy the first time, and that's exactly the point. It engages your entire core instead of just the front abs that everyone obsesses over. Your whole core is what keeps you functional in real life, not just the washboard abs that look good in photos. Want to make it harder? Try crucified crunches, where you extend your arms out to the sides and crunch up. It's brutal on your core. Or side planks for obliques. Hell, even regular planks are more functional than sitting on a machine and crunching like you're folding laundry. Let's do some quick math here. Each one of these machines costs around $1,000. If you bought all 5, that's $5,000 plus the space to store them. Your home gym would look like a small commercial facility. Or you could use your body, maybe get a pull-up bar for $30 and have access to hundreds of exercise variations that work just as well, often better. You already own the best machine ever created, your body. Learn to use it fully before you worry about spending thousands on equipment that might just end up as expensive coat racks. And if you're still not convinced, try doing 20 perfect push-ups, 5 pull-ups, and a 60-second hollow body hold. If those feel easy, then maybe you're ready to consider some machines. But I'm betting most of you have plenty of work to do with just your body weight.